Yes. So now, good morning, and now we'll begin our class for today with a new chapter. But before that, as a custom, just raise your hand if my voice is clear. Yes. Waiting for your response, students. Just raise your hand if my voice is clear to you. Yes. Okay. Fine. Chalo, good. Very nice. Yes. So today we will start with the chapter number 4 of the book Moment. Book Moment, जिसका फर्स्ट चैप्टर एंड सेकंड चैप्टर वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन. हम उस दो चैप्टर्स को कर चुके हैं. चैप्टर नंबर 1 दैट इज द लॉस्ट चाइल्ड एंड चैप्टर नंबर 2 द एडवेंचर्स ऑफ टोटो. वी हैव डन दीज टू चैप्टर्स. थर्ड चैप्टर, actually the third chapter is from the syllabus that has been reduced this year. थर्ड चैप्टर को आप लोग कट कर दें बिकॉज दिस इज डिलीटेड फ्रॉम योर कोर्स दिस ईयर. ये डिलीटेड चैप्टर है, द ईश्वरन द स्टोरी टेलर. सो वी नीड नॉट डू दिस चैप्टर. सो आप भी उसको कट कर दे सो दैट नो डाउट इन योर माइंड दैट व्हाई वी लेफ्ट दिस चैप्टर. हमने ये चैप्टर एक्सप्लेन क्यों नहीं किया. वी विल नॉट एक्सप्लेन इट बिकॉज दिस चैप्टर इज नाउ नॉट इन आवर syllabus. So you all just cut it down. Then comes the next chapter, that is chapter number 4 in the kingdoms of fools. So today we will do this chapter. Chapter number 4, the kingdom of fools. From the name itself, it is very clear. यहाँ पे दो main words आ रहे हैं, that is kingdom and fool. Kingdom we know palace where the king resides and the king's family resides, and fools we know fools are the insane people जिनके अंदर सोचने समझने का किसी तरीके का कोई दिमाग नहीं होता. The foolish people are known as fools. So this story which we are going to today in the kingdom of fools is about a kingdom जहाँ पे कौन रिसाइड करते हैं, जहाँ पे बहुत से fools रिसाइड करते हैं. जितने रहते हैं सबके सब क्या हैं, they are fools. So we can say this story is all about a kingdom of fools, the kingdom that is ruled by a foolish king and his foolish ministers. So the people who reside there is the king and his ministers. So because this is a kingdom of fools, so the king is a foolish king and the ministers are also the foolish ministers. Okay, this was about the characters. So now, what foolish thing they did? They said, why not we do something that is not happening in the other kingdoms? We should do something different. हम लोग कुछ अलग करते हैं. Because foolish थे तो foolish चीजें ही करेंगे. So they thought to do something different. Now what different they did? One, they ordered, the king said, now the different thing we will do is that we will, he passed out the order and said that night should be considered as day and vice versa, and the day should be considered as night. In the daytime, people will be sleeping, just having the view that it is night. And in the night time, what people are going to do? They are going to work. So everybody in his kingdom is going to work in the night. अब ऐसा ऑर्डर उन्होंने निकाल दिया कि दिन को तो रात समझ लो और रात को दिन समझ लो. ठीक है, रात को सब काम करते रहो एंड दिन में सब सो जाओ. हो सकता है ऐसा नहीं, ये बहुत ही फुलिश चीज है, बट यहाँ पे ये ठीक था क्योंकि ये फुलिश किंगडम था. One day a guru and his disciples visit this kingdom. अब one day क्या होता है, before continuing with the text, हमें थोड़ा सा एक डेट मिल जाए तो उसके आगे हम कंटिन्यूटी कैच कर लेंगे. So one day a guru and his disciples, he visited the kingdom and they were really very surprised. Why? Because they were not able to see any people around there. कहाँ गए लोग? So obviously दिन के समय वहाँ पे people कैसे मिलेंगे? Why? Because for the people of this kingdom, it was not day, it was what? It was night. And उन्हें क्या था, वहाँ पे सब सो रहे थे. Now the guru and his disciples were really surprised when they found everyone sleeping there. Entire kingdom was asleep during the daytime and they were very surprised and they were feeling hungry. And अब वो क्या करेंगे? Because उनके लिए तो day था ना, so according to the daytime they started feeling hungry. And from here the story continues. So I hope यहाँ तक आपको समझ में आया what were the main points we did. The points were that this is the kingdom of fools. kingdom is ruled by the foolish king and the foolish minister. So, in order to do something different, one day they decided and the king passed the order that from now onwards in his kingdom, they will be considered as night and the night will be considered as day. During the daytime, everyone in the entire kingdom would be asleep, सब सो रहे होंगे, and in the night time, each and every person of this kingdom will be working, सब अपना काम करेंगे, taking it as a daytime. So, one day, a guru and his disciple arrived in the city and they found the city very beautiful. And they boarded the city during the daytime. But they were very surprised because they were not able to see any people around there. They were thinking that where the whole town has gone up. What is it? ये क्या हो गया? सब गए कहाँ? Then later, when they arrived at the kingdom and they found the entire kingdom asleep, कि पूरा का पूरा kingdom सो रहा है, तो they were really very surprised. वो बहुत ही हैरान हो गए. And इसी सरप्राइज से हम इस पूरी स्टोरी को देखते हैं. There are very interesting points and very interesting instances coming in the chapter. So अगर आप बहुत attentive होगे इस चैप्टर को पढ़ते हो ना, this chapter is really going to sound very interesting. बहुत अच्छा लगने वाला है. This story. Basically, this is a folk tale, students. So folk tale क्या होती है? Do you know the story और folk tale में क्या फर्क होता है? Anybody knows what is folk tale? Anybody wants to tell me? किसी को कुछ आइडिया हो कि folk tale क्या होता है? Otherwise, I'll be telling you. Okay. So folk tale क्या होता है? Folk tales आप समझते हो ना? एक तो TAIL tale होती है जो animals की होती है और एक TALE tale. Tale is the story. When we keep it as folk tale क्या होती है? वो story जो generation to generation continue होती है. Like दादी और नानी की जो कहानियां होती है ना, जो हमारे पेरेंट्स ने सुनी जब वो बच्चे थे, उसके बाद में हमने सुनी, एंड ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स जो है कंटिन्यूसली जो हमें स्टोरीज जनरेशन टू जनरेशन जो कहानियां उन्होंने अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स से सुनी थी, तो जनरेशन टू जनरेशन जो स्टोरीज आती है दे आर नोन एज फोक टेल्स. तो ये भी एक तरह की फोक टेल्स थी इन द किंगडम ऑफ. नाउ फॉर्मली स्टार्टिंग द स्टोरी along with the text. In the kingdom of fools, be attentive everyone and just take out your books. सबको बुक्स अपने सामने रखें और बुक्स को आप खोल करके रखेंगे, और you can follow the text along with me on your screen. आप सुनते रहें लेकिन टेक्स्ट को अच्छे से फॉलो करें, because in between there will be some words जो आपको अच्छे से आने चाहिए. ठीक है? In the kingdom of fools, it is believed that fools are so dangerous that only very wise people can manage them. Who are the fools in this story? What happens to them? It is believed, ऐसा बिलीव किया जाता है, that fools are so dangerous, कि fools बहुत dangerous होते हैं, that only very wise people can manage them. इतने fool इतने dangerous होते हैं कि सिर्फ जो wise people होते हैं ना, वो ही उन्हें manage कर सकते हैं. And who are the fools in this story and what happens to them? So we are going to understand that who are the fools in this story. इस story में fools कौन है and what happens to them, और उन्हें ultimately उनको क्या होता है. Now, starting the text, beginning with the text. In the kingdom of fools, both the king and minister were idiots. They didn't want to run things like other kings, so they decided to change night into day and day into night, and run their businesses only after dark, and go to bed as soon as the sun come up. Everyone who disobeyed would be punished with death. The people, as they were told, for fear of death, the king and the minister were delighted at the success of their project. One day a guru and his disciple arrived in the city, and it was a beautiful city. It was broad daylight, but there was no one about. Everyone was asleep. Not a mouse stirring. Even the cattle had been taught to sleep by day. The two strangers were amazed by what they saw around them and wandered around town till evening, when suddenly the whole town woke up and went about its nightly business. Now what happens? In the kingdom of fools, both the king as well as his ministers, they were what? They were idiots, they were insane, they were fools. and they did not want to run things like other kings. And what they decided, they said, no, we are not going to work like the other kings. हम बाकी kings की तरह काम नहीं करेंगे. So they decided to change night into day and day into night. So they said that we are not going to work in the same manner the others did. So हम कुछ different करेंगे. We will do something different. And what different they decided? They decided to change the day into night and the night into day. This was the brain which they used, and they ordered that everyone should be awake at night, till the fields and run their business only after dark, and go to bed as soon as the sun came up. And they ordered that everyone in the town is going to do what? Is going to do something very surprising. And what surprising thing it is? That everyone should be awake at the night time. They are going to work on their fields and they are going to run their business only after it gets dark. जैसे ही रात होती है, सब अपने फार्म्स पे काम करना शुरू कर देंगे, बिजनेसमैन अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर देगा. And as soon as the sun came up, they will go to bed. They will go to bed और वो सो जाएंगे, because the night is day and the day is night. People did as they were told for the fear of death. Anyone who disobeyed would be punished with death, and the people did as they were told for fear of death. And what happened next? Anyone, कोई भी जो person था, what happened? Whoever disobeyed would be punished with the death. ये देखिए, ये मेन पॉइंट है. उनको ये भी साथ में ऑर्डर किया गया कि anyone who will disobey, he or she would be punished with death. उन्हें मार दिया जाएगा. And because of this fear, मरने के डर से, the people did as they were told because of the fear of death. कि नहीं, मरना नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं, डे को नाइट बोल लेंगे, नाइट को डे बोल लेंगे, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, एटलीस्ट जान तो बचेगी. The king and the ministers were delighted at the success of the project, and because everyone was following it, whether अपनी इच्छा से कर रहे हो, whether वो किसी डर से कर रहे हो, but everyone was following it. तो उसके कारण क्या हुआ? The king and the ministers were very delighted, were very happy. They were saying that yes, the people are following and our project is successful. हमारा project जो है वो successful हो गया. Now the entry of the guru and disciple comes. One day, देखिए, one day a guru and his disciple arrived in the city. One day a guru and his disciple arrived in the city. वो शहर में आते हैं, and it was a beautiful city. It was broad daylight, but there was no one about. And when these two people came to the city, what happened? The guru and his disciple arrived in the city, and a very beautiful city, and a broad daylight time था. But there was no one about. कोई नहीं दिखा. Why? Because everyone was asleep. सब सो रहे थे. Not a mouse stirring, even एक चूहा जिसे हम बोलते हैं ना, चूहा भी इधर उधर नहीं भाग रहा था. Even the cattle had been taught to sleep by day. Even जो cattle थे वहाँ पे, उन्हें भी, animals जो थे, उन्हें भी इतना सिखा दिया गया था that now it's day and you have to sleep, because in our kingdom for you it is night. Now, two strangers were amazed by what they saw around. And now these two strangers, who were the two strangers, students? The two strangers were the guru and the disciple. They were really very much amazed. मतलब they were very surprised. वो बहुत हैरान थे by what they saw around them. जो उन्होंने अपने आसपास देखा. And wandered around town till evening. और उन्होंने क्या देखा? That nobody was around. और वो एक तरह से people को ढूंढते ढूंढते वो पूरे टाउन में शाम तक घूमते रहे. When suddenly the whole town woke up. और अचानक जैसे ही शाम हुई, रात हुई, whole town woke up and went about its nightly business. और अपना रात का जो काम वो लोग करते थे, क्योंकि उनके तो डे शुरू हुआ था, सबके लिए नाइट थी. जैसे हुआ उन्होंने अपना नाइटली बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर दिया. Like the farmers started tilling their fields, the businessmen started doing the work, shopkeepers opened their shop, और वो सारे काम जो थे उनके स्टार्ट हो गए. The two men were hungry. Now that the shops were open, they went to buy some groceries. To their astonishment, they found that everything cost the same, a single rudu. ये उनकी क्या थी? करेंसी थी. ठीक है, जैसे हमारे रुपीज होते हैं, पैसा होता है, ऐसे उनकी ये करेंसी थी. द हाईलाइटेड जो पैराग्राफ है हम अभी उसको पढ़ रहे हैं, तो आप लोग उस पर ध्यान देंगे. Whether they bought a measure of rice or a bunch of bananas, it cost a dudu. The Guru and his disciples were delighted. They had never heard of anything like this. They could buy all the food they wanted for a rupee. Now the two men, यहाँ पे कभी उनको stranger कहा जा रहा है, कभी men कहा जा रहा है, but actually जहाँ पे ये two साथ में आ रहे हैं, तो who are the two? The Guru and the disciple. So they both were feeling hungry. And now that because वो लोग सुबह से वो यहाँ पे घूम रहे थे, बट उन्हें खाने को कुछ नहीं मिल रहा था. सो बिकॉज सब कुछ बंद था, सारी शॉप्स बंद थी, एवरीथिंग वाज क्लोज. सो नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड, अब क्योंकि बिकॉज द शॉप्स वर ओपन, सो दे वेंट टू बाय सम ग्रोसरीज. वो कुछ खाने का सामान लेने के लिए गए. एंड टू देयर सरप्राइज मोर दे फाउंड दैट एवरीथिंग कॉस्ट द सेम इन दिस किंगडम. यहाँ पे इस एंटायर टाउन में आप कुछ भी चीज ले लो, इट्स कॉस्ट इज द सेम. एंड व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट? अ सिंगल दुदू. ये दुदू क्या होता है? ये एक करेंसी है वहां की. जैसे हमने बोला हमारे यहाँ रुपीज होते हैं, पैसे होते हैं, वहां पे इनके दुदू होता है. वेदर दे बॉट अ मेजर ऑफ राइस, चाहे आप किलो 2 किलो कितना भी राइस लेना चाहो ले लो, और अ बंच ऑफ बनाना, उसकी कॉस्ट क्या है? अ सिंगल दुदू. द गुरु एंड हिज डिसाइपल वर वेरी मच डिलाइटेड. वो बहुत खुश हो गए. व्हाई? दे हैड नेवर हर्ड ऑफ एनीथिंग लाइक दिस. पहले कभी भी ऐसा कुछ सुना ही नहीं कि ऐसा भी कुछ रूल सिस्टम है कहीं पे. एंड नाउ दे वर वेरी डिलाइटेड, दे वर वेरी हैप्पी बिकॉज दे थिंक दैट दे कुड बाय ऑल द फूड्स दे वांटेड जस्ट फॉर अ रुपी. डजंट मैटर, ये फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता कि राइस का क्या रेट होता है, बनानास का क्या रेट होता है, एंड सीरियल्स का क्या होता है, पल्सेस क्या होता है. नो, डजंट मैटर, आप कुछ भी परचेज करो, इट्स प्राइस इज सेम, अ सिंगल रुपी. व्हेन दे हैड, नाउ द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. When they had cooked and eaten, the Guru realized that this was kingdom of fools and it wouldn't be a good idea for them to stay there. When they had cooked and eaten, जब उन्होंने कुक कर लिया, खाना खा लिया, the Guru realized, गुरु ने सोचा that this is a kingdom of fools. ये तो भाई किसी फूल का ही किंगडम लगता है, and पूरे फूल्स का किंगडम है, फूल नहीं फूल्स का. And it wouldn't be, ये अच्छा आइडिया नहीं होगा, that we should stay here. It's no place for us, and this is not a place made for us, because Guru and his disciples, they were very, we can say, intellectual persons. Gurus बहुत intellectuals होते हैं, तो यहाँ पे foolish के बीच में उनको क्या करना है? No. So he said, let's go, हम चलते हैं यहाँ पे. He said to his disciples, उसने अपने disciples से कहा. But the disciple didn't want to leave the place. But disciple जो था वो उस जगह से नहीं जाना चाहता था. Everything was cheap here. Everything was very cheap, and we already read that everything was available just for a single rupee. We say that is single dudu here. So everything was cheap. We know. All he wanted was a good cheap food. And what does his disciple wanted? His disciple wanted just one thing. That is a cheap, good food. And that was available here at a very cheap cost. So the Guru said, and what did the Guru say now? Guru said, Guru ने क्या कहा? They are all fools. They are all fools. They won't. This won't last very long, and you can't tell what they'll do to you next. He says that they are all fools. यहाँ पे जितने भी हैं ना, they are all what? They are all fools. सब पागल हैं, and they won't last very long. और ये सब बहुत ज़्यादा समय नहीं चलेगा. And you can't tell what they will do to you next. And you really can't tell कि तुम्हारे साथ भी next क्या कर देंगे. Because we can never rely on the foolish people. We can never rely when they could turn dangerous to us. We even don't know anything about this. Okay, so but the disciple wouldn't listen to the Guru's wisdom. Now, but disciple, he was very much sure about his self. जो उसने decide किया था, he was very much sure about it. He said, no, that I am not going to leave this place. That is, I am not going to leave this place. I am going to eat a lot at a very cheap cost. But the disciple wouldn't listen to Guru's wisdom. So, गुरु ने बहुत ही विजडम की, बहुत ही समझदारी की बात की, but the disciple was not at all ready to hear it at any cost. So he didn't listen to him. He wanted to stay because he wanted to stay. And the Guru finally gave up and said, and Guru finally he gave up. He tried to make him understand what he is saying. But when he finds that no, that the disciple has decided and is not going to listen to me, Guru finally gave up and said, do what you want, I am going and left. He said, do what you want, I am going and left. ऐसा ही होता है ना, घर में भी पेरेंट्स होते हैं, कोई होते हैं, हमें कंटिन्यूसली समझाते रहते हैं, हम नहीं समझते तो वो क्या कहते हैं, तुम्हारी जो मर्जी आए करो, आई एम गोइंग, और ऐसा कह के वो वहां से चले जाते हैं. तो ये भी यही ऐसा ही हो गया. गुरु सेड डू व्हाट यू वांट, जो तुम्हें करना है करो, आई एम गोइंग, एंड ही लेफ्ट दैट प्लेस. डिसाइपल स्टेड ऑन, बट डिसाइपल वहीं रुकता है. एट हिज फिल एवरी डे, वो अपना खाना खाता डेली मजे से, बनानास एंड घी एंड राइस एंड व्हीट, एंड ग्रू फैट लाइक अ स्वीट साइड सेक्रेड बुल. एंड ही ग्रू लाइक व्हाट, he ate bananas, ghee, rice, wheat, etc. and he grew so fat. आपने स्ट्रे बुल्स देखे होंगे ना, हमारी गली में घूमते हैं या पूरी सिटी में, टाउन में अराउंड घूमते हैं. स्ट्रे बुल्स जो होते हैं बहुत मोटे मोटे, बहुत स्कैरी होते हैं वो, तो वो बिल्कुल उन्हीं स्ट्रीट स्केयर बुल्स की तरह ही वो फैट हो गया. One bright day, एक दिन, a thief broke into a rich merchant's house. A thief broke into a rich merchant's house. He had made a hole in the wall. Now what happens one day? अब क्या हुआ देखो. Now, one bright day, a thief broke into a rich merchant's house. He had made a hole in the wall and sneaked in, and he was carrying out of his loot. The wall of the old house collapsed and his head and killed him on the spot. His brother ran to the king and complained, Your Highness, when my brother was pursuing his ancient trade, a wall fell on him and killed him. The merchant is to blame. He should have built a good strong wall. You must punish the wrongdoer and compensate the family for this injustice. Now he said, one bright day, क्या हुआ? एक thief, चोर जो होता है, right? समझते हैं ये चीज तो हम. A thief broke into rich merchant's house. एक rich merchant के घर में चोर घुस गया. He had made a hole in the wall and sneaked in. कैसे enter हुआ वो घर में? He made a hole into the wall of the house of the merchant and he sneaked inside. And he was carrying out his loot. And उसके पास में जो भी सामान था, वो जो उसने वहां से रॉब किया वो था. The wall of the old house collapsed on his head and killed him on the spot. But something very dreadly thing happened. What happened? The wall of the house collapsed and the wall fell on his head and this killed him on the spot. His brother ran to the king. उसका brother जो था, he went to the king and complained. He said, Your Highness, when my brother was pursuing his ancient trade, when my brother was doing his robbery, because it was his ancient trade, वो तो उसका business था. When he was doing his work, what happened? A wall fell on him and killed him. एक wall उनके ऊपर गिर गई and it killed him. The merchant is to be blamed. He said, now the merchant is to be blamed. Why? Because wall was of the house of the merchant. But हम अगर इसको बहुत ही genuinely सोचे तो इसमें merchant को क्या हम blame कर सकते हैं? Actually तो he was being robbed. उसके साथ तो already गलत हुआ. But this is what हम कहाँ की बात कर रहे हैं? We are talking about the kingdom of fool. तो यहाँ पे जो भी हम बोलेंगे ना, points raise होंगे या जो भी बातें होंगी वो सारी foolish होंगी. So the foolish things are started right here. He said the wall of the merchant's house fell on his head of his brother, who actually was doing what? Who actually did a robbery in merchant's house. But still, because the wall was of merchant's house, so the merchant is to be blamed for the death of his brother. He should have built a good strong wall. He says he should have built a strong and good wall so that it would not have fell on his brother's head and he would have successfully executed his robbery and leave the merchant being robbed by him. You must finish the wrongdoer and compensate the family for this justice. He says that king, it's my plea towards you, it's my request to you that you must finish the wrongdoer and also compensate the family for the injustice happened towards him. जिसकी गलती है आप उसको तो पनिश करें, एंड अलॉन्ग विद दैट जिसके साथ में इनजस्टिस हुआ है, लाइक हुज ब्रदर द थीफ, उसके साथ में जो इनजस्टिस हुआ है कि उसकी डेथ हो गई एक वॉल उसके सर पे गिरने से, उसके फैमिली को कंपनसेट किया. व्हाई शुड बी डू डन दिस, बट इट वाज फुलिश थिंग. एंड बहुत जेन्युइन चीजें हैं. द किंग सेड जस्टिस विल बी डन. What did the king say? The king said, yes dear, do not worry, the justice will be done. Justice किया जाएगा, ठीक है. Justice will be done, don't worry. And at once summoned the owner of the house. And at once what did he do? उन्होंने क्या किया? He summoned the owner of the house. उन्होंने उस घर के ओनर को कॉल कर लिया. Now आगे देखो. When the merchant arrived, उस घर का ओनर कौन था, किसके घर में चोरी हो रही थी, मर्चेंट की. And when the merchant arrived, now what happened next? When the merchant arrived, the king questioned him. King put up a question. What's your name? He said, what's your name? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? Such and such, your highness. He said, such and such. Were you at the home when the dead man burgled your house? He said that you were present at the house when the burglary, that is when the robbery took place, when the man robbed your house. You were at home or not? Yes my lord. He says, yes my lord, I was at home. He broke in, वो घर के अंदर आया चोरी से. And the wall was weak, and the wall was very weak, and it fell on him, और वो wall उसके ऊपर गिर गई. The accused pleads guilty. Now the accused, that is the merchant, he pleads guilty. Your wall killed this man's brother. He says, now, no. Actually, your wall killed this man's brother. You have murdered a man. We have to punish you. Now, you have murdered a man and we have to punish you. Now, just imagine how foolish thing is this. Just imagine कि अगर ये situation में हम हो, so what have been our mental condition at this time? हमारे मन में क्या क्या चीजें आ रही होती, हम सीधा ये कहते हैं, are you a foolish man? What are you saying? Did you realize it? कि तुम क्या बोल रहे हो? Lord, said the helpless merchant. बेचारे helpless merchant ने क्या बोला? हे भगवान, I didn't put up the wall. It's really the fault of the man who built the wall. He didn't build it right. You should punish him. He said that I didn't put up the wall. It's really the fault of the man that who built the wall. I haven't built up, so it's not my fault. It's the fault of the builder. He didn't build it right because he didn't build it right. He built it so weak that it fell upon his head and the man was killed. And you should punish him, and you should punish that man, not me. Who is that? Now the king asked, who is that man? Tell me. My lord, this wall was built by in my father's time. I know the man. He is old man now. He lives nearby. He says, my lord, I know this wall was built in my father's time. And I know the man, but he is very old now and he lives nearby. The king sent out messengers to bring in the bricklayer who had built the wall. The king, he sent out his messengers to the place of that old man, that bricklayer who built this wall. They brought him, tied hand and foot. वो उसे लेकर के आ गए. The hands and the feet were tied, just like we say ना, just like an prisoner or just like we can say murderer को लेकर के आ रहे हैं. Same, similarly in that way. You there, did you build this man's wall in his father's time? He says, you there, तुम यहाँ सुनो मेरी बात, क्या तुम ही थे हो? You are the man जिन्होंने इनके फादर के टाइम में इनके घर के इस वॉल को बिल्ड किया था. Are you the person? Yes, my lord. He says, yes, my lord, I did. Yes, my lord, मैंने ही बनाई थी. What kind of a wall is that you built? He says, what kind of a wall is this that you built? ये कैसी wall है जो तुमने बनाई है? It has fallen on a poor man and killed him. ये इस poor man के ऊपर गिर गई है and it has killed him. You have murdered him. तुमने उन्हें murder कर दिया and we have to punish you by death. And for this we have to punish you by death. हमें तुम्हें death as a punishment grant करना पड़ेगा. Before king could order the execution, the poor bricklayer pleaded, please listen to me before you give your orders. Now, before the king could order the execution, the poor bricklayer, he pleaded. What he said, please listen to me before you give your order. Please मेरी बात सुनो इससे पहले कि आप कुछ order दें. It's true I built this wall, but it was no good. It's true that this wall is being built by me, but it's not so good. It was no good. Why? Now what's the reason he's giving? He says, but that was because my mind was not on it. वो इसलिए because मेरा mind उस वक्त इस पे नहीं था. I remember very well a dancing girl who was going and up and down the street all day with his anklets jingling. He says, मेरा दिमाग उस वक्त सही काम पर नहीं था because I remember a very well एक dancing girl थी who was continuously going up and down in the street and all day with her anklets in the feet and they were making jingling sound and I couldn't keep my eyes on my mind on the wall I built. So because of the jingling of the anklets, it was creating such a great disturbance that I could not keep my eyes or my mind both on the wall that I was built. So it's not my fault. Actually, it's the fault of who? It's the fault of the dancing girl. Now, he says, you must get the dancing girl. I know where she lives. He says that you must get the dancing girl. And he replies, yes, I know where she lives. You are right. Very true. The case deepens. Now the case is deepening more and more. We must look into it. It is not easy to judge such complicated cases. He says that we must look into it as it is not easy कि इतने complicated cases को आसानी से judge किया जा सके. Let's get that dancer wherever she is. चलो जाओ और let's get that dancer wherever she is. जहाँ पे भी वो हो. The dancing girl, now an old woman, came trembling to the court. But the dancing girl was also an old woman now because it was of the time of the builder. And builder is now old, so how can the dancing girl be young? She's also an old woman now. She came trembling to the court. Did you walk up and down that street many years ago while this poor man was building a wall? Did you see him? The king asked, did you walk up and down? And in the court, he asked that, did you walk up and down the street many years ago while the poor man was building a wall? Did you see him? क्या तुमने इन्हें देखा था? Yes, my lord, I remember it very well. Now that old woman, जो कि क्या थी पहले एक डांसिंग गर्ल थी, बहुत ही अच्छी थी, लेकिन अभी वो क्या है? Now she's an old woman. She said, what did she reply? She said, yes, my lord, I remember it very well. मुझे बहुत अच्छे से याद है. Yes, I did walk up and down, and I even saw this man. So you did walk up and down with your anklets jingling. You were young and you distracted him, so he built a bad wall. And so, because you were walking up and down with your anklets jingling, and you were young and you distracted him, and that is why he built a bad wall. And that is why the wall जो उन्होंने built की, it was really bad. And what happened because of the quality? The wall fell on the head of the burglar, that is the brother of this man, and this mistake of yours took a life, and that is why you are in the category of murder, directly or indirectly. So now we are going to punish you for this. So here you can see what he's saying. He's saying, it has fallen on the poor burglar and killed him. You have killed an innocent man, you will have to be punished. So the wall fell on the poor burglar and killed him. And now, as you have killed an innocent man, तुमने एक बहुत ही innocent man को kill किया है, so you have to be punished. So you will have to be punished. तो आपको उसके लिए हमें punish करना पड़ेगा. So because now just 2-3 minutes are left, so we'll be stopping our class here. So next remaining explanation will be done tomorrow. And at present, if anybody has a query, just raise your hand. Yes, all of you understood it very well. Because not raising hand means that you understood the thing very well. So still, if anybody किसी को कुछ पूछना है, तो just raise your hands today. Yes, there is someone who really wants to ask something, and it's good. Let us talk to